this is where it all begins. This is the beginning of sacred walk to Sekhmet, to Ptah's temple. And always about now, start to feel what I always thought was anxiety and fear. And after a few visits to come and see Mother, she was like, oh no, darling, that's my energy. And I can feel her so strong now. You can come in my video. This is great. And these guards, very, very, very special guard keepers of this place. Very, very sacred custodians, I think you can call them. So this here, offerings for the altar before you go in. And then take some big deep breaths because the energy is strong. I'm so excited to bring you with me on this. So excited. Okay, can I leave that there like that? Yeah. And this is Ptah. And this is she. And as you can feel the energy, I'm just shaking. Because this is where you're going to come. Mother Sekhmet calls you home. And this is home. And I always get so emotional when I come here. Because this is home. And I've walked these lands many times with Walid, who's behind the camera. And each time, she has blessed me with so much. And the road has been rocky, it's been difficult, but each time she gives you more and more fire, more and more faith. And I'm calling you all now, come home.